In the remote hill regions of the Malai Madeshwara Hills in Chamarajanagar district of Karnataka state, access to education remains a daily challenge.
ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿನ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಿಗೆ ದುರ್ಗಮವಾದಂತಹ ರಸ್ತೆ, ಕುಡಿಯೋ ನೀರಿನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಸೌಕರ್ಯಗಳಿಲ್ಲದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರದೇಶವಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Children coming to school every day is an ordeal, walking miles in rugged forest terrain. Families here depend largely on forest-based livelihoods, making even the basic learning materials difficult to afford.
The Madeshwara High School, situated in Malay Madeshwara Betta, is one of the very few high schools in that region. It's only one of the 3 high schools within a periphery of 70 kilometers. It is run by the Salur Mutt and has been in existence for more than 75 years.
We believe that safe, well-equipped and inclusive schools are the foundation for quality education. Our efforts becomes more critical, particularly in the areas like MM Hills, where children face really daily challenges accessing school and poor infrastructure keeps them away from the schools.
All accessories and notebooks etc. are being given by Help Educate a Child, and in cooperation with India Mart during 25-26 the school was renovated. Total of 14 classrooms, complete corridors, everything was renovated and the school looks almost brand new now.
ಫುಲ್ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೋರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅದರಿಂದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಿತ್ತು, ನಾವೇನೇ ಬರೀತಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಓದೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗು.
India Mart, in partnership with Help Educate a Child, is determined to ensure access to quality education by providing infrastructure and learning support in this region.
In addition, in Gorsane school, they had plenty of children attending classes 7th and 8th, but they did not have enough classrooms. So India Mart was kind enough to provide us the funding for construction of 2 classrooms. The previous year, Ponnachi school was developed in the same manner. Complete first floor was constructed.
3 ಕೊಠಡಿಗಳನ್ನು, ಶಾಲಾ ಕೊಠಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ತೆರೀತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಚಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಪೂರಕ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಂಚ, UPS, ಹಾಗೆ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ತಾತ್ಕಾಲಿಕ ಕೊಠಡಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಹ ಅವರು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
So far, we have supported 3,500 plus students, and these are from 24 schools and 27 Anganwadis.
Inspiring learning spaces, India Mart ensures that every child has an equal opportunity to participate in learning and fully exercise their right of education, because the education makes a life perfect.
India Mart and Help Educate a Child believe that access to education is a primary right for every child, and that every dream, no matter how distant, has the chance to move forward.
ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮಾರ್ಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.